Hey guys, what's up? Welcoming to my YouTube channel. Hope all are you doing great. In this video, I will explain how to fill onboarding forms without wasting the time here. Let's get into the video. See, first after login into the next step portal, the home page it will open like this, right? So here last onboarding is there, right? So first you have to click on onboarding. After clicking the onboarding, the page it will open like this. See dashboard, provident fund and pension scheme nominations, graduate fund nominations, and form 9 and all is there, right? So all these forms we have to fill for OBC. So out of this all, first one like provident fund and pension scheme nominations and gratuity fund nominations on form 9. These three are important. These two is there, right? With no need to fill these two forms now. So first you have to fill these three forms. In this video I will tell how to fill these three forms. Let's wait. See, if you scroll up means like this asking marital status single or married, you have to click on single. Next all these forms is there, right? See provident fund, pension scheme nominations and all I already submitted, that's why it's showing like this. For you showing like nil, so you have to fill these forms before onboarding date. So if you want sample filled forms means you can access here. See, you are single means like you can click on single, so it will download sample filled form of provident fund pension scheme nominations like this. All are available here. So don't worry, I will tell how to fill all these forms. See, after downloading the samples like this PDF it will open. See, first I will explain form F, I mean gratuity nomination form. See, first it will open like this, right? So first in the blank I dash whose particulars are given in the statement below. So in this blank you have to give your full name. Understood? You have to give your full name. Next, all these are came, right? All these points. See, my father is not dependent on me. During filling in online only, you have to give these details like your father is not dependent on you. If yes means yes, no means no. So all these details you have to give in filling in online. After filling in after complete filling in online, then you have to take printouts. After taking printouts like some signatures and all is there, right? So that and all you have to fill by hand. Okay, let's see. Next, nominees name in full with address of nominees. Here nominees you can give your father name like this. Relationship with the employee means your father name. If you give means then you have to fill here your father. Next, your father date of birth. Next, proportion by which gratuity will be shared. You can give 100 but not more than 100. So all these details you have to give in nominees. Next, see here during filling in online details you have to give all these details, right? So all these details it came in online only. So here date of filling form, so which date you have to you are filling this form, that date you have to give and place also same. Next, signature of employee means you have to sign here. See, next in the table like declaration by witness. So here in this table you have to provide witness. Make sure that the witnesses are not having your blood relation. See here first witness name and full address and a signature of that witness. Next, second witness address and full name, signature of that person. Next, date of filling form, so same date you have to mention here also, and place also you have to mention. After that, here also date you have to mention and signature of the employee means your signature you have to give here. This is the form F. Next, I will tell form 2. See, in this form all these details, right? During filling in online only you have to give all these details, name, father's name and all. They it will ask, better to give that time only. See here it will come name, your name, father's name, date of birth, male or female, marital status, and don't see this number, the PF account number automatically it will come for everyone. See here permanent address and temporary address and all these details you have to give during online filling only. Next here part A is there, right? So here you have to give again nominees in this form also. So here also you can give first your father name and address by mentioning in Aadhaar, right? So those address you have to give. Next relationship with father means you can, if you give your father means you can give father, if you give mother means mention here mother, and date of birth of that person. And here also you can give 100 but not more than 100. All these details you have to give. Next I told, right, in form F, your father is not dependent on you, if yes or no. So according to those, here see two check boxes is there, right? Certified that my father mother are dependent upon me. If depend upon you means then you can tick second check box. See tick on appropriate check box. So you, according to you, you can tick your checkbox. And next here also you can sign your signature, here also you can give. Next part B EPS. So neglect this table. And after that here in this table, right, so here again name of the nominee. So in the above table, if you give your father as a nominee, here you can give your mother and address of your mother by saying, by mentioning in mother Aadhaar. Next date of birth and relationship with member means you can give your mother. Next filling the form, which date you are filling this form, the date you have to mention. And signature of subscriber or member means you have to sign your signature here also. And neglect this all. Next I will tell form 9. So this is also during filling in online only, you have to give all these details. See like I means here you have to give your full name and you have to give your father full name in this blank, in these two blanks. Next all this, next all PF account number and all, it will, they will only give, no don't worry. Next all these blanks you can leave. Next you have to give your Aadhaar number and your PAN card number. Next bank IFSC code and all don't fill, they will ask after induction program and all, during creating your salary account and all. So here also you have to fill date of that day. Next you can sign here also. So in this and all you can neglect. And after that in last page also you have to sign, you have to sign here. Yeah, this is the procedure of filling these three forms. And another two forms is there, right? If you don't fill also no problem. Now better to don't fill those two forms, you have to fill these three forms. After filling these three forms and after completing everything, I mean signatures and all everything, then you have to make PDF like this, one after one. After making the PDF, at last you have to attach your Aadhaar, your electronic Aadhaar by end of this PDF. After that, you have to upload in Explore Ion. I hope everyone saw my previous video how to upload documents, Ion documents in Explore Ion. If not, I will post it in description. Please go and watch. So like that, you have to fill and upload OBC forms. I mean onboarding forms. Hope you understood this procedure. If you have any doubts regarding this, please comment below. Definitely, I will try to reply those comments. That's it for today. Stay tuned for upcoming uploaded videos. Until then, keep watching. Bye bye.